A very good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we'll be continuing our chapter number 5, division. In today's class we'll be studying dividing by two-digit number. In the previous class I explained how to divide by using a one-digit number. Today we'll be studying by using two-digit number. Now 16 here is a two-digit number. Here I have written 5796. We have to divide this number with 16. So how will we carry this division? As 5 it is smaller than 16. So we consider 57, the number formed by the first two digits 5 and 7 of the dividend, and will be dividing this with 16. Using the multiplication table of 16. We will be using the multiplication table of 16. So, you know the 16 twos are 32. 16 multiplied by 3. If you multiply 16 by 3, we will be getting 48. 16 multiplied by 4 will be getting 96. Will be getting 16 multiplied by 4 as the 64. So look here, the 64, it is greater than 57. So we'll be taking this number, that is 48. So it goes 3 times. So the quotient here I'll be writing 3, down I'll be writing 48. I will be subtracting 57 from 48. So I'll be getting 9. As 9, it is smaller than 16, so I will be carrying this 9 down. Now next we have to look at the division table. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. So 16 5s are 80. 16 6s are 96. Yes, so we can write 96 here. The quotient I am writing here 6 and here I am writing 96. So 99 minus 96 is 3. I will be carrying this 6 down. Next, again we have to see the table of 16. 16 2s are 32. So I am writing here 2 and here 32. 36 minus 32 is 4. Now let us check our division, whether the division that we have done, it is right or not. In order to check the division, what we have to do, the divisor multiplied by quotient plus the remainder, it should be equal to the dividend. That is 16 multiplied by 362 plus 4. So if you multiply 16 by 362, you will be getting 5792 plus 4. We will be getting it as 5796. You can see this is our dividend. So the division that we have done, it is correct. Now let us do another division. We will be using a two-digit number. We will be taking a greater number. For 16 we know the table, we can do it. Now we will be taking the larger number. Let us try it. I am writing the number, that is 5937. We have to divide this number by 68. So the divisor, that is 68, is a two-digit number. It is a two-digit number. It is not contained in the first two digit 59 of the dividend. This 59 of the dividend, it is smaller than 68. So we will be considering 593, the first three digit of the dividend. Now what we'll be doing, as the table of 68, we are not knowing yet the table of 68. So what you can do, in the rough column, like 68, you want to know 68 2s are, so you will be doing the multiplication. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So 68 2s are 136. Similarly, you can do 68 3s are 68 4s are 68 5s are. In this way you can write the multiplication table of 68. Now let us do this multiplication. 68 5s are 68 5s are. If we multiply 68 with 5, you can do the multiplication like this. So 68 5s are 314 and 68 8s are 544. 68 8s are 544. So this number, it is close to the 593. So we can write here 8 we are writing up, and 544 I am writing here 544. Now you have to subtract 593 with the 544. So you will be getting 49 and this 7 will move down. So here it comes 497. Now 68 multiply by 7. If you multiply 68 by 7, you can do the multiplication like this. So 68, if you multiply 68 by 7, you will be getting 476. So I am writing here 7 as the quotient and here is 476. Now you have to subtract 496 with the 476. So you will be getting 21 as the remainder. 21 is the remainder. So students, whenever you are doing the multiplication of a greater 2-digit number like 68, the table you are not knowing of the 68. So you can do like this: 68 multiplied by 2, 136. Then you can change the number here. You can write 3. Then you can do the multiplication and you can write the table sideway of the 68. Then you can do the division. Like here is 68. I have taken the first 2 digit 59. This 59, it is smaller than 68. So I will be taking this digit also 593. I will be taking the first 3 digit of the dividend. Then I will be doing my division. Then how I will be checking my division? The checking method, it is the same itself. You have to multiply 68 with 87. The answer that you will be getting, you have to add 21 to the answer. Then the number you will be getting, it should be equal to your dividend, that is 5937. So let us do it. Let us check our division. I have told you the method how to check the division. So how to check the division? This is the quotient 87. This is the quotient. Multiply by our divisor 68 plus 21. So if you multiply these two numbers, that is 87 multiplied by 68, you will be getting 5916. 5916 plus 21, you will be getting the answer as 5937. This is our dividend. So it means that the division that we have done, it is the correct one. So in today's class we have studied how to divide by using a 2-digit number. So that's all for today's class. God bless you all.